Welcome to Kofi's class. Please, if you're new in this class or new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and those who have been coming to the class, thank you very much for always coming along. This is Kofi's class. Let's keep on drawing. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. In today's lesson, we're going to draw a figure in orthographic projection, and we are going to use a third angle projection. Third angle. We are going to draw this figure in orthographic projection in third angle. So we are going to draw the plan or the top view of the figure, the front view or the front elevation, and the end view or the end elevation of this figure. This is Kofi's class. So guys, we have this figure here in isometric, and we are to draw the plan, the front view or front elevation, and the end elevation or end view. So we are to draw the plan or the top view, the front elevation or the front view, and the end elevation or the end view. We are going to draw this in third angle projection. I will start by drawing the plan. So for the plan, you always consider this the shape or the full size of the base or the bottom. So when you look here, we have this side to be 6 centimeters, which is 60 millimeters, and the other side here is 40 millimeters or 4 centimeters. So you take your set square, you take your compass or your divider, then you measure 60 millimeters. 60 millimeters. So now we have our 6 centimeters, which is 60 millimeters, and you mark. Then with your T square and your set square, draw a line. Draw a faint line to this side. Then you measure, this side is 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters. So you measure your 4 centimeters. So we have our 4 centimeters, which is 40 millimeters. You mark here. Then with your T square, draw a line. This goes here. You can just transfer it to this side. So we have this. So you consider when you look at this, you can see that, and we are taking our front elevation from this direction. We're taking our front elevation from here. So when you look at here, you will see the 6 centimeters, which is this line, then the 4 centimeters, which is this line. Then we have the distance. I forgot to write. We have here to be 2 centimeters. Good. And here is also 2 centimeters. Here is also 2 centimeters. This side is also 2 centimeters. We have here to be 2 centimeters as well. So from here, you measure 2 centimeters. We are taking our front view from this direction. So you measure 2 centimeters from here. 2 centimeters on this line. So here, with your compass or your divider, measure 2 centimeters. Now we have our 2 centimeters. You make like this, then you mark here, and here is also, this side is also 2 centimeters. So with this, the same 2 centimeters here, then you mark here, Then with your set square, you join these lines, and you need to transfer all vertical lines down. From here, you draw your line like this. Then you move to this side. Draw another line like this. So now we have this. So when you look at this figure, we are drawing the plan from the top. We are going to see this line, this line, this line, this, and this. And we know that we have this line, and on the top of this, and this one is at the center. So from here, the distance from here to this side is 2 centimeters. From here is 2 centimeters. It means from here to here, 2 centimeters. From here to here is 2 centimeters. Then when you consider this is at the center of this. When you look from this direction, this side, we're taking our front view from this direction, and you see this, and from the top like this, you're going to see this line, and this one is at the center. So if the distance from here to this side is 2 centimeters, here 2 centimeters, and the whole length here is 6 centimeters, that means the distance from here to this side is also 2 centimeters. I mean, from here to this side, 2 centimeters. So you measure, or you take halfway, the center of this line, you're going to draw another line. So from here, you're going to see these lines. You're going to see 1, 2, 3. Here is 4 and 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to take half of this. So we are going to measure 10. We're going to measure 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters to draw this line. So with your divider or your compass, so now we have our 1 centimeter here. Then with your set square and your t-square, you draw another line. From here. We have this. Then let's join this. Let's show our drawing, our plan. We move to this side. Then with our set square, it goes like this. Then this. Then the last. So we have these lines here. So we have our plan. So let's draw we have our plan here. So now here you can see these lines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 here. So let's draw the front view. So the front view, we are going to see this side, this area is the front view. So we, from here, just draw this. We have this. We have this line. We have this line, which is this. Then we measure the distance from here to here is 2 centimeters. So you measure 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters here, or 2 centimeters. You mark. Then from here, then we are going to, we have this line, which is 2 centimeters. So we are going to draw this. So you join this line, you draw this line up to here, then from here to this side. So with your T-square, join here and here. Good. Now we have this. Then when you look at this, the figure here, it says the distance from here to here, that is the total height here, is here, from here to this side is 2 centimeters. And from here to this side is 3. So it means the total height here is 5 centimeters. It's 5 centimeters, which is 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. That is 5 centimeters. So now with your compass or your divider, you measure 5 centimeters. So with your 5 centimeters, from here, you mark here. Then, with this, use your set square to join this. That is from here to this side. We have this. Then with your set square and your T-square, let's draw this. Now here, again here, and you move to this side. Like this, you draw this. So we have our front view here. So we have our plan and front view. Then with your set square, your 45 degrees set square, with your 45 degrees set square, at this point, you draw a faint line. You draw a faint line from here. It goes like this. Then you transfer this. You transfer this with your set square from here, the intersection point here. Yeah. Just draw a faint line, goes like this to here. Then let's transfer all these points to this side. So it goes like this. We have this. We have this. Then the top. We have this. So now we are going to draw our end view, or the end view or the end elevation. So from here, start from here. And you move to this side. Then here it goes like this. Then the center here, the middle one goes like this. Then the top. We have this. So guys, just look at the figure here. Now for the end view or the end elevation, you're going to see this area, this rectangle here, and this rectangle. So you're going to see this area and this area. You're going to see these lines. The front view, you're going to see this line. This one is parallel to this. So you're going to see this line, and this line. So we have 3 lines. So we have 1, 2, 3 here. That is the end view. And for the plan, you see this rectangle. This is 1, this is 2, and we have another one like this here. Then this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the for the plan. That is it. And for the front view, you see this area that is here. It's very simple. This is a third angle, orthographic projection, third angle. In third angle projection, we have the plan on top here. We have the front view or the front elevation down here, and we have the end elevation or the end view here. Guys, thank you very much for coming to Kofi J's class. If you are new here, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for those who have been coming to the class, thank you very much for always coming along. Let's keep drawing. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet 8. This is Kofi J's class. Please share the video with your mates, and let's keep on drawing. I will see you in my next class. Bye.